Italian food is supposed to be simple. Fresh ingredients, clean sauces, real olive oil, slow cooking. In Italy, meals are built around quality, not shortcuts. But once Italian food was scaled for mass production in the United States, something broke. What was once about balance and tradition became about portion size, shelf life, and profit margins. Many so-called Italian chains today are Italian in name only. They rely on ultra-processed ingredients, heavy cream sauces, refined oils, excess sodium, and additives that would never make it onto a plate in an actual Italian kitchen. Here are 5 Italian restaurant chains you should avoid, followed by 6 authentic Italian restaurants that actually get it right. Restaurants to avoid. 5. Fazoli's. Fazoli's is fast food pretending to be Italian. At its core, Fazoli's operates on the same model as a burger chain: speed, uniformity, and low-cost ingredients. Most dishes are pre-made, frozen, or reheated. Sauces are heavily processed, loaded with sugar, salt, and stabilizers. The breadsticks are essentially refined flour, seed oils, and sugar. The pasta is overcooked and nutritionally empty. Proteins are minimal and often highly processed. This is not Italian food. It's pasta-flavored fast food. What makes Fazoli's especially bad is how aggressively it leans into portion size without nutritional value. You're eating large quantities of low-quality carbs and industrial fats that spike blood sugar and leave you sluggish afterward. 4. Buca di Beppo. Buca di Beppo sells nostalgia and spectacle. Family-style portions, loud decor, giant plates. But underneath the atmosphere is food that's extremely heavy, calorie-dense, and nutritionally empty. Most dishes rely on excessive cream and cheese, refined white pasta, sugary tomato sauces, processed meats. These meals often exceed a full day's recommended calories in a single sitting. Sodium levels are extreme, and the sauces are engineered for consistency rather than freshness. Italian food was never meant to feel like a food coma. Buca di Beppo's version turns tradition into excess. 3. Sbarro. Sbarro is mall food with an Italian label. It's mass-produced, reheated pizza and pasta designed to survive under heat lamps. The crusts are refined flour. The cheeses are processed blends. The sauces are stabilized and sweetened. Pizza in Italy is light, simple, and digestible. Sbarro pizza is heavy, greasy, and inflammatory. The problem isn't pizza itself. It's industrial pizza. Sbarro removes everything that makes Italian food healthy: fresh dough, quality olive oil, simple toppings, and replaces it with shortcuts. 2. Olive Garden. Olive Garden is the most misleading Italian chain in America. It markets itself as wholesome, family-friendly, and comforting. In reality, many of its dishes contain extremely high calorie counts, excess sodium, refined oils, additives, and preservatives. Some ingredients commonly used in large-scale chain sauces and dressings are restricted or banned in parts of Europe, where food regulations are stricter. The unlimited breadsticks and oversized portions encourage overconsumption of refined carbs and low-quality fats. Many meals exceed 1,200 to 1,500 calories before dessert. Olive Garden doesn't reflect Italian cuisine. It reflects Americanized excess. 1. Bertucci's. Bertucci's sits at the top of the avoid list because it presents itself as authentic while delivering industrial food. Wood-fired branding aside, many ingredients are pre-processed, sauces are standardized, and quality varies wildly by location. Doughs and proteins are often sourced for consistency and cost, not flavor or nutrition. The menu leans heavily on cheese-heavy dishes, refined carbs, and oils that overpower the food rather than support it. It looks Italian. It sounds Italian, but it doesn't eat Italia. Choose instead authentic Italian restaurants that get it right. Real Italian food doesn't rely on tricks. It relies on restraint, freshness, and respect for ingredients. Here are 6 Italian restaurants that actually honor the tradition. 6. Patricia's Restaurant. Location: New York, Bronx, and Manhattan. Patricia's is old-school Italian done right. Family-owned. Ingredient-driven. No shortcuts. Sauces are slow-cooked, not poured from bags. Olive oil is real olive oil. Portions are generous, but not excessive. Pasta is cooked properly, not drowned in cream. This is the kind of place where recipes are passed down, not downloaded. 5. Dominic's Restaurant. Location: Bronx, New York, Arthur Avenue. Dominic's doesn't even print menus. You eat what's fresh that day. That alone tells you everything. The focus is on seasonal ingredients, simple preparations, and balance. Dishes change based on availability, just like they would in Italy. This is Italian food before commercialization. 4. Cafe Juanita. Location: Kirkland, Washington. Cafe Juanita is Italian fine dining with precision and restraint. Chef-driven menus emphasize technique, ingredient quality, and regional Italian traditions. Nothing is heavy for the sake of being heavy. Sauces are clean. Flavors are intentional. This is Italian food treated as cuisine, not comfort slop. 3. Strega. Location: Boston, Massachusetts. Strega blends modern presentation with traditional Italian fundamentals. High-quality proteins, fresh pasta, and clean sauces define the menu. It's indulgent without being reckless, rich without being overwhelming. This is how Italian food evolves without losing itself. 2. Angelo's Civita Farnese. Location: Long Island, New York. Angelo's Civita Farnese is a masterclass in authenticity. Named after an Italian village, it focuses on regional recipes, seasonal ingredients, and old-world techniques. Olive oil matters here. Pasta texture matters. Simplicity matters. You don't leave feeling heavy. You leave satisfied. That's the difference. 10 Auto Nove. Location: Bronx, New York, Arthur Avenue. 10 Auto Nove is the gold standard. The name refers to a town in Campania, Italy, and the food reflects that region with respect and accuracy. Fresh mozzarella, real olive oil, clean sauces, balanced portions. Nothing is rushed. Nothing is overdone. This is Italian food the way it's meant to be eaten. Italian food isn't unhealthy. Industrial Italian food is. Chains prioritize consistency, shelf life, and speed. Authentic Italian restaurants prioritize ingredients, technique, and balance. If a menu is built on cream, sugar, refined oils, and oversized portions, it's not Italian. It's just expensive junk food. Choose places where ingredients are recognizable, portions are reasonable, sauces are simple. Olive oil actually tastes like olive oil. That's how you enjoy Italian food without sacrificing your health. Subscribe to take control of your health and stop the guessing game. Check out this next video.